7 fucking months since I've uploaded a vlog on YouTube. So with this vlog, let's get started. What is up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vlog with Aryan, and welcome to yet another video, welcome to yet another vlog, and welcome to yet another storytelling session. We are at this place, I don't know what it is called, but you know, our dear friend, my school junior Omi got us here. And it's a pretty undiscovered place. As you can see, there's nobody around. No one really knows about this place, to be very exact.
Which is the best part.
Which is the best part. But guys, just look at this stuff, man. There's a lot of garbage. I don't even know why. Like, come on guys, like you must, keep your surroundings clean, and like if you're coming here for, to enjoy or like birthday parties or to eat something, you should take your trash with you.
Yep.
Because you cannot destroy the biodiversity of this place, because it's so beautiful here, but still, you can find a lot of litter. And actually this place is not, quite well discovered by other do-nights. So we are among the first few people to discover it, I guess. I have Yash, photographer. If you want to explore Dehradun like never before, you have to go out and explore the unexplored places, man.
भाई साहब जितने भी लॉज गए कि अच्छी अच्छी फोटो देखते, ये है उनका राज। ये राज है, देखिए कितनी सुंदर फोटो आई है। मेरी बह गई,
इसकी स्लीपर्स बह गई और यश के शूज गीले हो गए। I like traveling a lot. I like nature. I like everything. But the thing is, I just cannot go out because I am at schools and all. So finally we are done with everything, and बस अब थोड़ा बैठे हैं. This is Yash, this is Omi. इन दोनों का इंस्टाग्राम मैं स्क्रीन पे दे दूँगा और लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे होगा, जाके फॉलो कर सकते हो. फिटनेस बहुत बढ़ रही है या. और आई वॉज सुपर बिजी. आई वॉज नॉट पोस्टिंग व्लॉग्स, लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट बीन 7 months now since I posted a vlog, and several reasons are behind it, man. I was stuck in the lockdown for 4 months. अब पूरी कहानी बताता हूँ क्या हुआ. Let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so this is what really happened. On 17th of March, I was all alone in Dehradun and my parents were in Pauri. On the same day, my parents told me that they were coming back to Dehradun on the 19th. So I decided on the 18th of March that let's go to Pauri. अपने parents को surprise visit देते हैं, which was 160 kilometers from where I lived, and I went there on scooty. So I was in Pauri on the 18th of March, and on 19th our whole family decided कि चलो वहीं रुक जाते हैं. My nani also said कि बेटा रुक जा, अब तू आ गया है तो थोड़े दिन और रुक जाओ. So we stayed in Pauri for some more time, and as we were about to get back to Dehradun,
संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
Our Prime Minister declared the Sampoorn lockdown on 25th of March रात को 12 बजे से, and we were stuck in Pauri for more than 4 months. अगर मैं उस दिन नहीं जाता तो शायद से मैं व्लॉग्स बनाता और शायद से मैं रेगुलर रहता. Actually my nani's place is in the middle of the jungle, so there are a lot of birds, animals. I even spotted a leopard. I'll post some pictures here if you can see. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @vlogitAryan, just like my YouTube channel. So just go and follow me on Instagram. I'm very active there.
बहुत बढ़िया रील्स बना रहा है आजकल.
Yes, I make good reels. I do a lot of photography. This guy right here is also in photography. When I started my YouTube channel, he was like the #1 guy to go to because he helped me a lot in my work. I also make small cinematic videos which are not on YouTube, and they are more epic. You can have my word on this. I make dope content on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel if you loved it. Don't forget to click that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as I always say, peace out and keep vlogging.